Hey, it's James Nicholson. I hope you're well. And this video, I want to talk to you today about why you need to take a day off as an entrepreneur. So this is my gorgeous little baby, Amelie. Say hi to Amelie in the comments. Do say, hey, Amelie, in the comments. Now, we have just been working really hard in the last few weeks. We just run the Business Accelerator in London. Absolutely amazing event. And this is a message for you if you're an entrepreneur or a business owner. And that message is, have a day off, guys. Now, the reason for I say that is on the Business Accelerator over the last few days, I've been talking about my first business, which was my iPod accessory business. And in that business, I worked 80, 90, 100 hours a week at Christmas time. And I didn't take time off. I didn't have time for friends. I didn't have time for family. And it just burnt me out. And ultimately, the reward from that business was failure, and I got 50 grand in personal debt, which to me at the time was a significant chunk of money. Now, as an entrepreneur and as a business owner, you have to take time off to recharge your batteries. It's really, really important. Now, when you had a job, you'd have got 4 weeks off. Now you don't get that luxury time. And so we're having a family holiday here in Lyme Regis. We're in a field with some alpacas, you can see there. At the moment, just brought Amelie up here where we're staying. There's some alpacas and some chickens in there, but the alpacas are a bit more interesting, right? And so now I've set my business up that I can take a holiday when I need. Normally, in normal times, I would have 12 holidays a year. And I would challenge you to try and do the same. If you're going to be an entrepreneur, you're going to be a business owner, what's the point if you get less time off than when you had a job? You may as well have a job, right, guys? And so my challenge to you is look to take more time off. Some entrepreneurs follow a methodology where they don't work on Fridays, right? And some people or just take more holidays like I do now in my business. Hey, Absy, we'll jump you up there. So that's my challenge to you. Take more time off. Set your business up in the right way so you're getting lead sales and you don't have to work every single day in your business. You need systems, you need processes, and all of that you can find out how to do that using my Business Accelerator methodology. And if you want to grab a copy of Expert Mastery, I'll put a link in the description below so you can grab that too. Say goodbye, Amelie. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. I'll see you guys very soon. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.